I'm going to stray a little bit from the reading with our second example and consider the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of tangent of x dx. Now, you might see that there's a problem with this. The reason being that tangent of x has an asymptote at x is equal to pi over 2. So it has an infinite discontinuity. And we need to make sure we address that. So we say the limit as b goes to pi over 2 from the left of the integral from 0 to b of tangent of x dx is what we're going to evaluate. We make everything in terms of limits here. If you remember, the antiderivative of the tangent of x is negative natural log of absolute value of cosine of x. So then our new solution would be the limit as b goes to pi over 2 from the left of negative natural log of absolute value of cosine of x as we go from 0 to b. When we plug in 0 and b, we end up with the limit as b goes to pi over 2 from the left, a negative natural log of absolute value of cosine of b plus natural log of absolute value of cosine of 0. Since cosine of 0 is equal to 1, the second part will not make a difference. But when we look at this, as we get closer to pi over 2, cosine gets closer to 0. And so when we try to plug that into natural log, we have all kinds of issues. And so this limit as b goes to pi over 2 does not exist, therefore causing the problem in the original integral. And we say that the integral diverges.